This is a species of kingfisher from the Alcidinidae family, with a total of 10 subspecies. It has a body length of 25 to 27 centimeters. The kingfisher is solitary or occasionally pairs up, having a solitary nature. It is often seen perching on tree stumps or rocks by the riverbank, and sometimes on the lower branches of small trees near the river. It tends to remain still for long periods while watching the water, and when it spots fish or shrimp in the water, it quickly dives to catch its prey. This species is found at altitudes from sea level to 1,800 meters, inhabiting swamp forests, mangroves, forest streams, ponds, wetlands, and plains. It is completely carnivorous, with inland subspecies mainly feeding on insects and other small arthropods, as well as small snails and lizards. Not only do they hunt freshwater prey, but coastal kingfishers also eat small crayfish, fish, frogs, tadpoles, and crabs.